Practical activity 8.13, open students marks. To calculate the average, minimum, and maximum marks for each of the 4 tests. Okay. So if I want to calculate the average of this, obviously what I do is I'll use is the average, and I'll calculate the average, and the minimum. For minimum, I'm going to use is equals to min, and for maximum, obviously I'm going to use is max. So max give me the maximum, the highest, the tallest, and same way I am going to calculate all these. So obviously what I'll do is I'll replicate this, right? And I'm going to replicate this, and I'm going to replicate this, right? So this is how we do this.